If you need to cancel a pending transfer on ENS, follow these straightforward steps to ensure your transaction is successfully halted. Step 1. Access your ENS account. Log into your Ethereum name service ENS account using your wallet or the ENS Manager interface. Make sure you are connected to the correct network where the transfer was initiated. Step 2. Locate pending transfers. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their account. Use SRock to monitor your account 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breached data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 3. Identify the transfer to cancel. Find the specific transfer you wish to cancel. Check the details to ensure you are selecting the correct transaction, as cancelling a transfer is irreversible. Step 4. Initiate the cancellation. Select the option to cancel the pending transfer. This may involve clicking a cancel button or a similar option. Confirm your choice when prompted, as this action will attempt to halt the transaction. Step 5. Confirm cancellation status. After initiating the cancellation, monitor the status of the transaction. You may need to refresh the page or check your transaction history to confirm that the transfer has been successfully cancelled. By following these steps, you can effectively cancel a pending transfer on ENS. Always double-check your transactions to avoid any mistakes in the future.